Hey guys, we're here with Not a Murderer. We're gonna be doing tier lists. We'll start with the JoJo one because
Unoriginal content.
unoriginal content. I got one from a YouTuber, but that's the last one. You don't know what that is. You know the tier list, like all the tiers
I know
except.
two of them. I don't know the last one.
Nah, yeah. Alright, so we got rank these characters. Hold on, I should probably make a new tier for people I don't know. Or we don't know.
I don't know. I say JoJo's either like A or B.
I'll go A because Yare does A. Also, Dio S. There's no arguing it.
Dio straight to S, yeah.
Bucciarati, I mean, he did adopt like five kids that he's probably gonna have some kind of intimate relationship with. Would you call that a bro move?
I would call that a pretty simp move, but yeah, okay. I say a B tier probably.
Pet Shop. He killed a dog, or at least tried to, because he got killed by a fucking void.
Yeah.
So I would say F because he tried to hurt a dog. Move, bruh.
Bruh.
That's not very cash money. Koichi-kun,
Alright. Reliable guy Koichi, S tier.
I don't know, he got a lot of character development, definitely.
He did.
But that doesn't mean he's a good guy. Right, he's a reliable guy, but does that make him good?
Yeah, I mean, maybe A.
Is it safe to put him in B? Can we put him in B?
Yeah, B.
I'll tell you what, I'll put him above Bucciarati. Hold on. Whip.
Oh.
I'll put him above Bucciarati, is that fair?
Yeah, that's fair.
Alright then. JOJO Giovanna. No, not C. I would definitely put him in A.
Yeah, probably in A, yeah.
If you would agree putting him into S, actually, nah. I think he belongs in A. Above Jotaro, definitely.
Yeah, definitely.
Alright, Mista.
Okay, wait, so his stand is just to shoot himself, so I'd probably say a C or a D. C's.
See, I'd say C's realistic. Because if we put him in D, that would just be counting him. But I think we should count his stand as well, because
I guess.
the comedy relief. Iggy. Ooh, hold on, roll the clip of his death in the OVA.
Iggy, get out of here! He's still alive!
His name's Yoshikage Kira, he's 33 years old, he belongs in B tier. I don't like his character.
I kind of relate to him, so...
What,
I guess.
His fingernails growing, and then from murderous intent.
Yes.
I mean, you are not a murderer, so you're kind of contradicting yourself.
Yeah, I mean, yeah, okay. Either way.
Alright.
On to the next one.
On to the Narancia, okay. I don't like Narancia. I would put him in D tier.
I kind of like his stand. It's kind of an okay stand, but yeah, I mean him as a character.
Yeah, we're going off character here. I mean that's why Dio's in S tier, and Bird is in F tier. Funny Valentine. I know him, but I haven't read the manga. I'm sorry, but he's gonna have to go in people we don't know, bro. Full stop. Josuke Higashikata, part 4 was your favourite part, right?
Yeah, part 4 was my favourite, so I'm probably just gonna rate them all pretty high.
Yeah.
I say Josuke's a B or an A.
Definitely not an A. He's not on the same level as these two.
Yeah.
Okuyasu-kun.
Okay, Okuyasu S tier, bro.
S tier.
Instantly.
Yeah.
Oh no.
Joshu, don't know him, but that haircut, we should probably just make another tier for him. I'm joking. Nah. Whole Horse.
Tier just called hair.
Whole Horse. C? I don't know. He respects Whammon. So that saved him from D.
He does drink respect Whammon juice.
He drinks respect Whammon juice. I haven't watched all of part 5 yet, so for me, Bakio, is D tier, maybe F tier.
Whoa.
But apparently he does get a redemption. So
Yeah, you're gonna have to put him up a little bit there.
I'm gonna put him at C tier
Yeah,
tops. I don't know. I'm not
Yeah.
sure. In Duel, he's blind, and he also tried to kill people. That's
Yeah, but water.
yeah, no, but we're talking about attitude.
Okay, fair.
Well, not just that. No, personality. Gyro Zeppeli. I don't want to rank him because I haven't seen the manga, and you haven't either.
I don't even know.
Polnareff. Oh, Kakyoin. Oh, Kakyoin. He got his eyes. Um.
Okay. Yeah.
C. C.
See, yeah.
Above
I'm fine with that,
Abakio, above Whole Horse, above Mista.
Top C. Okay.
Yeah. Oh, hold on. I should also probably put Josuke above Kira, in my opinion. He goes above Kira.
Okay.
But maybe put...
I could go down for
I
that.
don't know, I'm just trying to rank Karichi, because I don't think Karichi deserves top of B.
I don't know.
He's reliable, but that doesn't mean...
That.
That doesn't mean he deserves top of B.
Okay, wait. No, have you not seen Crazy Nose Bizarre Town intro?
Oh my
And
god!
stand?
Why don't I think of this? Adra above. Crazy Noisy Bizarre Town. Cock and ball porch!
No, not again. You've got me with that one before. Yes.
Trish hentai?
Bro, I don't. I mean, her stand's okay, but her as herself,
She's kind of quiet.
kind of a D tier, if you ask me.
I mean,
Yeah.
she doesn't like men. I mean, after how much of a simp Guido Mista is to Trish when they switch bodies. Rohan Kishibe, F.
Oh, really? I like him. I like Rohan.
I mean, he got his own series, and I haven't watched it yet, so he might get a bit more character development.
He ate a spider.
He did eat a spider, but he's kind of a dick.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, that's a fair point. Yeah.
I hate you, Josuke Higashikata or Higashikata. Vanilla Ice. Vanilla, because he didn't have a character at all.
No, he wasn't. He wasn't really important much.
Not at all. No.
I mean, he did simp for Dio though, so like that kind of puts him up a little bit.
All right, fair enough. I mean, back in his day, I guess that's fine. Speedwagon.
Oh, Speedwagon! Can we please make an ascended god tier for Speedwagon?
Okay, good. Oh, hold on. We should probably make his color white. Yes. Much white. Okay. Who have we got next? Sorry, we can't see the entire tier. Don't worry. These two can get ignored. They're their own tiers. Cars. Ooh, that's a hard one. I would say in between C and D, or maybe B and C.
C. I say C.
Because he didn't really. His drive to do stuff was just so he could like be ultimate life form. And then when he got it, he died. Or well, actually, he didn't die. He stopped thinking.
He went up into space.
He first astronaut. Wait, actually no. Yeah, technically. Wamu.
Oh, come on! You're really gonna put him that low?
Nah.
I say
No, sorry.
A-tier,
A tier. A tier. We don't have much in A tier. That's surprising.
I like Wamu.
Fair enough.
Yeah,
But actually, no. Hold on. If we're gonna put Stroheim in A, we should switch around Iggy and Stroheim.
Much better.
There you go. Shigechi.
I think Shigechi S tier, honestly.
Yeah, S tier. We don't even need to like weigh up anything. It's literally just S.
Shigechi
S for
tier.
Shigechi. Can we rank Pucci? I
think
mean,
we can.
okay, yeah, like, it's fair to say we might be able to rank Pucci. I mean, if we're gonna say that Vanilla Ice deserves to be in D because he sent Dio, I would say Pucci belongs at the top of D for being
Yeah.
much better at simping for Dio. Hold on, there you go. Well, you didn't really simp, but I don't know. This is so janked up. This is a terrible tier list. I'm sorry.
I can also agree.
Gappy.
I don't know. She abused the boy.
She hit a boy. Cock and ball torture. Should we just give Jonathan his own tier? Jonathan Joestar victory theme?
I say put him in with Zappelli, probably. Just because.
I mean, he is a very nice man. I'd put him above
Yeah.
Zeppeli. But Zeppeli... No, but, yeah, okay, I'm just gonna put him there. But then Iggy,
Okay,
why is
yeah.
Iggy above Jonathan? Iggy's just moving down. I'm just realizing how bad of a choice it was to put him in S tier.
Yeah, Iggy's slowly moving down.
Yeah.
Alright.
Alright, Young Joseph, S tier.
Yeah, I can agree on that one.
I mean, Tommy
He
Gunn.
did simp his mum that he didn't even know about. But
She's not going in a B? B tier? I would put Lisa pretty high.
Yeah, B.
Honestly,
Oh, 1 tier.
top of A tier. Well, actually, not above MILF Hunter. I would say that's a good placement for him. But you decide.
Yeah, I'd say that's pretty okay.
But he's above. That's great. He can be above Jonathan.
I've just seen who's up next, bro.
Shiza.
Caesar. Caesar-chan.
Honestly, S tier.
S tier, yeah.
Don't know. And Mariah. F tier.
F tier.
F tier. Okay. Okay, here's our tier list for JoJo characters. Okay, moving on. Villager tier list. What you have seen cannot be undone. Oh, that's saved as well. Okay, he can be there, I guess.
Yeah.
This tier list, I'm just gonna skip past the creation of this tier list because we don't really need to talk over. This is our villager tier list. It's not very accurate because I don't know most of these, and we just went off on a whim. Because these three look very similar. Especially these two.
Yeah.
Hot Super Smash Brothers characters. I didn't show you this one. Oh, hold on. Why is SS here?
I haven't played Super Smash.
Oh, don't worry.
So, yeah.
That's fine. I'll just make this white. You know what? Mario can go right at the bottom of F tier. Under the kids, he's even more unattractive than the kids, which are literally... You can't even... oh, hold on. You can't really see it much.
Yeah,
here's
let's
S
forget
tier.
about the bottom 2 tiers and just have that. Yeah,
Yeah, okay, forget about the bottom 2 tiers. Here's our Hot Smash Brothers characters, and I think that's all we have.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure it is.
Well, thanks for watching. If you couldn't tell, this is just Sexy Pizza 123, but on Discord he didn't want to be called that anymore. So I ha-ha'd him, and now I called him that. Haha! Bye.
Oh.